Alright, today's project, sub panel, so we can accommodate space in this 200 amp panel for a car charger outside. Here we go. Alright, sub panel installed. I just gotta go grab some supports for that. So I moved the range over here, a 2-pole 20 and a couple singles. I wanted to put the car charger in the main panel. We added a main panel surge, sub panels up top right there, and we have a surge in this as well because that's required by code. A lot of people think sub panels don't, but we'll take a look at the feeders article afterwards. You required it on the home, not this existing. We added this for the customer. That's required though. Alright, fully ready. Throw the cover on. We got this tied in. Everything's torqued to spec. Torqued right on the back of the panel. This is number 3 copper, so when somebody asks, because that 83% rule for residential, you can't use that for a sub panel. That's for the service coming in. You can't use number 4 copper for a sub panel. It needs to be number 3. Same with aluminum. You wouldn't be able to use number 2 aluminum. You would need to use number 1. Common mistake. A lot of inspectors I don't see pick it up, but they should be. That rule is for the service, not sub panels. Alright, basement's a complete wrap. If you saw before, the 1-inch is coming over to feed the 100 amp. Moved a couple circuits over. We got those nice and supported up top. The car charger is inside here. Car charger, 50 amp. I ran number 6s to it because I had them. And then we got a nice piece of 3/4 inch flex. Stubs into the back of the box right through there. You'll see in a second. We got support on it. Clean up. Alright, back in action. Car charger is going to go right here on the wall. But it's really not a car charger. It's a charging device. The car charger is built into the actual car, but that's alright. It's EV, SE, something like that I think they're called. The first box I got was actually sealed, and I was missing this part. I had to run to the supply house and get a new one. Sit an hour of my day, but that's alright. We're going to bang this out and move along. The tools out there, fancy stud finders on the market. Best one right here. Wand it until you find a screw. Boom. You could keep going until you find another one. You'll eventually find it. Boom, another. Alright, that looks about right. So kick 90 into an offset right into the bottom.